I recall when I was young, I used to look so fine. My parents would dress me up to make Sunday school on time. But all my friends at school, they didn't go to my church. I wondered why. The Joneses were Presbyterian, Smiths were Pentecostal, and I was Nazarene. I'd see my friends on Sunday morning as we passed their church. I'd nod. I asked my mother why we didn't worship the same God, and then she smiled at me. She told me that we did, and I wondered why. 'Cause the Joneses were Presbyterian, Smiths were Pentecostal, and I was Nazarene. Well, you think I'd know the difference now that I am grown up tall. I finally see the truth and there's no difference at all. For all that really counts is having Jesus Christ as Lord, and that is all. The Joneses are Presbyterian, Smiths are Pentecostal, and I am Nazarene. But we are one, we are one, we are one in the Spirit of the Lord. We are members of the body of Jesus Christ. We are one in the Spirit of the Lord. Everybody sing along. We are one, we are one, we are one in the Spirit of the Lord. We are members of the body of Jesus Christ. We are one in the Spirit of the Lord. Everybody, come on, sing. We are one, we are one, we are one in the Spirit of the Lord. We are members of the body of Jesus Christ. We are one in the Spirit of the Lord. And the Joneses are Presbyterian, Smiths are Pentecostal, and I am Nazarene.